Yeah, I'ma kill one of you young punks with an old school flow. Though I walk through the shadow of death, I got to make sure that my shoes and my outfit fresh. You bitches get jealous when you see me coming. Y'all would too if you seen my woman. Now y'all know we about to do what we do. This shit right here's about as sick as the flu. Drunk motherfuckers wanna vomit on my shoe. Niggas can't have shit, probably cause of you. Rappers go to jail like Oprah go to Yale. Stedman policy, don't ask, don't tell. Wear my water beads as I go get the mail. Half black is the new black, can't you tell? Like that. No country for young men.
No.
It's just a ball of confusion. No country for young men.
No.
Your world is just an illusion. No country for young men. It's a ball of confusion. No country for young men. Your world is just an illusion.
It is what it is, motherfucker. No country for young men? Nah, it's only country for real niggas.
For real, though. On some real shit, though, let me tell you what's real and what's fake, nigga. Look, don't let me hurt you.